If you've seen the ads for the HeatMe Pro Heater popping up everywhere and wondered why this tiny plug-in device is suddenly so famous, you're not alone. Because today's video looks at whether HeatMe Pro is actually worth the attention or if the hype is covering something else entirely. HeatMe Pro claims to warm your room quickly with advanced ceramic technology and even promises up to 70% energy savings, which sounds almost too good for a heater small enough to fit in your hand. So examining the details becomes important. The first thing that stands out is the way the product promotes itself with big media logos, suggesting coverage from major news outlets. Yet these so-called features don't appear to link to real articles, raising questions about whether those claims were ever verified. Then there's the marketing-style flashy banners, limited time offers, and countdown timers that restart every time the page refreshes, creating a sense of urgency that feels more like pressure than genuine product value. The photos used on the sales pages also look similar to images used by multiple other mini heater brands online, making it unclear if this device has a unique manufacturer or if it's part of a generic product line being rebranded repeatedly. The descriptions promise instant warmth, huge energy savings, and cutting-edge ceramic efficiency, but offer very few technical details, such as real heating coverage, wattage calculations, or safety certifications, which makes it harder to understand what kind of performance buyers should realistically expect. Even the reviews raise eyebrows, with many appearing copied, repeated, or overly polished, giving the impression that not all of them come from real users. None of this automatically means HeatMe Pro is fake, but it does create a mixed picture where the claims, marketing style, and vague information suggest potential buyers should approach with patience, caution, and realistic expectations rather than relying on hype alone.